Welcome back to another video. Today, this is my test server build. Low-key, there's two builds I actually want to try on the live server. Well, kind of three, but I know I don't got this, nor the weapons, nor the pilot. This, I got the pilot. I don't got this drone. I got the weapons. Probably got the resource to upgrade it. I got the robot, the pilots. Don't have the drone. Low-key, I would put this drone with the Heroku drone, honestly. But because this thing gives you more damage for EMP, that's the whole reason why I got this. I also got it with lockdown. And this is my Curie build. This is my Condor build. Low-key, the Condor is kind of a tank with this robot drone. I don't know why, but it is. Anyway, let's get to it. Oh, I also usually say this at the end of the video, but go check me out on Twitch, bro. Same profile pic, same name, same everything. Okay. I'm usually playing GTA. Because I've been trying to get to like max level 120. I'm probably gonna get it like after another month of school. I'm hoping not before my birthday, because that's when I'm gonna get the job. Alright, bro, I fucking hate that robot so fucking much. You don't even understand. Now, after I use the Fury during this match, I'm gonna switch out the weapon. Maybe it's like the bar makes sense. That was a fucking nasty. Also, I'll do that every Wednesday when drinking, just so I can actually say that's off now, just in case they people go. Because I don't think people really pick the program, but I'm making it up slowly but steadily. I'm like the programmer, not fast, not too. I'm trying to help this outside. I think he was trying to lock me down, but he doesn't know that I have like the immunity thing. came from my orbital flex. Alright, let's see. Alright, you know, I'm gonna bring up the carrier. I don't really care about the scenery because the Titan's gonna do that anyway, but I just want to change the weapon, right? Because I was using like 2 different weapons. I was using that Atos, like the ones that had 350 meters in range and they like kill you a little bit. And they're like shoot out green laser basically. I was using that, and then I was using like the shotgun. The shotgun that came with the heroic. They were not bad, I will not lie. They were actually fun. But this one I do say this one is a lot better than the other two because like it's just unfortunate. Alright, what I'm at? Half a minute? I mean half 10 minutes? That's not bad. Alright. I'm just hoping I don't get death matches because that lasts like a whole entire like 10 minutes. For the record, I am eating popcorn right now. I just made it. I didn't eat like 2 hours. Also, if a sword demon is attacking, I recommend to never. When I say never, I mean like literally never attack it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It just makes it worse. Bro, so you don't see this guy on me? You ain't gonna help me? What the fuck? Bro keeps on going invisible, and I'm like, alright, thank God you had him low. That was bad. Yo, ain't no way Doug just did that to me. Yeah, nah. The gang is fun. So I think the max HP on this is like 300,000. Let's keep going, but without the drones, I mean, without the ability, because the ability gives you like 300 or 200,000. On the next server, if you have this build, it could actually go to 1 million. You put extra durability on your robot with the pilot. But obviously it would get to 1,000,000 a lot easier if you put the extra durability. I don't got extra durability. I got nuclear fire. Always just actually stuck in my team. Just like, is it in your mouth? Is it good? Is it good, man? Is it good? Do you love it? Huh? Huh? Do you want to suck it? Do you want to suck it? Like, holy shit. Good thing I got this, though. Because this is and bro comes back to stuff in my place. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This guy got. But yeah, like these weapons, they would like put the rust effect in. The decreased armor ability effect by like, I don't know, like maybe 60? I don't know how high it goes. Probably the not cap, but how high it goes. Alright, shield breaker. Am I lagging? Yeah, I'm lagging. Alright, that's the end of that, man. I got cut. I low-key want to test this nether belt on my life. I have all the weapons I need. Alright, I guess I could try. Alright, fuck. I'm just like, oh. Alright, let me continue with the series. Because honestly, I love the shotguns more than the. And after this match, I will put that Atlas on. I mean, the Atlas. But those were like the 3 weapons. Also, you could put those these new shotguns on those too, but generally I don't like them because like I don't know, they're like just too slow. Honestly, this one does like 9 good damage. And of course, you're gonna get that motherfucker every time. You got nothing better to do, huh? Huh? You got nothing better to do but sit your ass back and get free kills, huh, buddy? Huh? Fucking weird ass motherfucker. Alright, you're gonna shoot? No. Say less. Say less, you fucking. You're a faggot. Come here. Come here. Okay, fucking whole entire team over here cruising shit. What? Wait, how much you pay them? Huh? Pay them 100 V-Bucks or some shit? Some Robux? Come over here sucking my dick like they know me. Fuck that. Oh my god, do I like holy shit? How many times do I have to put the lock on there? Actually, bro, that's like the 5th fucking time. I'm dead. It moves. I'm trying to turn him. I got my shit fried that match. I didn't want to show the other setup, so that's low key why I did that. But I will say this, the other setup is like gay as fuck. Honestly, I didn't want to make it, but I just wanted to see what robots would it be so fucking broken with. Because these weapons are fun to be broken as shit. Okay, so I didn't put the other one on. Damn, bro, I just wasted a whole 2 minutes on that. The reason why these weapons are good because it's counters opposing one and when you use like a weapon. Like when I use this, say somebody's here, right? And I can attack them right now, I'm gonna do the poison bonus that I set. I don't know why they do it. Of course, and you get a lockdown. See, bro, that's why I need to get my orbital strike faster, and I can have that immune stuff on the side. When I get locked down or EMP'd, it doesn't affect me. I wouldn't be able to see it. What's that? He doesn't see me. I'm gonna try to get that robot. because I hate that robot. Holy dick sucking much, bro. Damn. Back the fuck up. Alright. Never mind. I don't know why you didn't do good. Just turn off. But I thought it was gonna teleport on. Stupid ass boy, come here. Give me that. But nah, they need to like make it recharge faster. I would not lie. They make it recharge a little bit more faster. Fine. Right, another immune system. Alright, I'm about to get it because people love food stuff. Bro, like you're such a faggot ass bitch, bro. I swear your mom is like literally this big ass fucker. I don't even get to tell me something, bro. But that's low key not even fully my fault. This will take forever to go up. Getting tickets to them now, they didn't even get it. What is big ass penis in your mouth or some shit, bro? Alright, now let me explain this build a little bit. One, it's good against the sword units. You also blind them. And honestly, this robot is probably the best robot to counter them, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. Shield breaker, jumping backwards, it cooks. The Dazzlers hope because they blind it. So, put it simplistically, this build is very good. I didn't get to show any gameplay to it. So either I got my ass whooped, or we went too close. But yeah, that robot is actually good. And the setup's good too. But that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. A wonderful morning, wonderful work day, wonderful school day, wonderful day in general. That's the end of the video. Peace.